How to get a QR code in Microsoft Authenticator app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get a QR code for your Microsoft Authenticator app so you can enable two-factor authentication for your Microsoft account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First thing, you will need to open up your Microsoft account. Head over to account.microsoft.com and log in. After you do that, on the left hand side, you will see security option. Tap on security, and after you do that, it will take you to another page. Now enter your passcode and sign in. After you sign in, it will again take you to another page. So while it does that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new video. Now, as you can see, it has just loaded. After you're on the security section, you can just manage how you sign in. After you tap on it, it will take you to additional security options. So again, let it load. After it does that, you can see different options. Under additional security, you'll find an option called two-step verification. You can tap on that. And after you tap on two-step verification, tap on yes. And there you should find an option to just add a security method that is called two-factor authentication. So here you can see the manage option. Tap on manage. After you tap on manage, you will be able to add an authenticator app. Now since I have already added an authenticator app, it's not giving me the option to scan the QR code and stuff, but for you they should. So I'll just tap on next. So get the Microsoft Authenticator app, and after doing that, you can just set it up. You'll get a QR code. Scan the QR code using Microsoft Authenticator app, and after you do that, your new QR code or you'll have to scan the QR code, and then you'll have added the extra layer of security. And that's basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.